Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Luvme hair wig install. Glad that we are back in action. So the wig that I'm showing you guys today is one of their pre-max wigs. This is actually the chestnut brown with honey blonde highlights. It's a silky straight texture, a 13x4 pre-cut lace frontal. It's meant to be 100% glueless, so it does come pre-cut. As I stated before, they did the knots, they did the plucking, they did everything for you, so it's going to be a quick install. The density is 150%, and the inches that I have is 22 inches. However, I did cut her and add some layers. However, everything else is pretty beginner friendly. So as always, enjoy the intro, and I'm going to give you guys some close-ups of the gifts as well as the hair. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to throw on the wig as normal. I'm going to definitely make use of that drawstring. However, the first thing I'm going to do is use my wax stick and my rat tail comb just to kind of get some of this hair away from the lace. That way I have a clean space to work with. And you guys already know how the drawstring goes. You'll see the footage of that. So this is what the lace is looking like after utilizing the drawstring and everything. And even though the drawstring tightens the entire wig cap, as you guys can see, the lace is not completely flat. And then also I run into the issue where the lace stays on my edges. You guys know my edges come out farther than the lace sometimes, as well as the sideburns. So I went ahead and did what I had to do to get the lace to melt and lay in the areas that I needed to lay in. And I also added some layers into the hair and curled one side off camera. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did the curls on the other side using my flat iron. I actually didn't use any additional product or anything like that. The hair behaved very well with the heat. I wasn't getting smoking or a weird smell. And as you guys can see, the curls came out very, very, very nice. So I went ahead and added some baby hairs, mostly just to cover some of the areas where like my own edges was just out showing and they needed to be covered up. So I added some baby hairs and I'm actually going to go ahead and comb out the curls, which I did end up deciding to go ahead and add some more layers and redo the curls. So you guys will see all that footage, but I really just wanted to come back on to the microphone and just let you know that I did not have any issues with tangling or shedding at all. And I had already spoke to how the hair behaved with the heat previously. So far she's really good. You guys know Silky straight isn't my go-to. However, I was able to make her cute and do my signature style, of course. By the way, I did curl the hair exactly the same how I did in the previous clips. I thought I had recorded me recurling the hair, but I didn't. However, adding those additional layers definitely made a difference, and I like how it turned out this way much better. So I'm just showing you guys how flowy it is now. It looks a whole lot fuller now. I love it. I love the color. I feel like the color is really shining through on camera, and if I was in the sunlight, it'll definitely pop even more. But as always, make sure you guys go ahead and check out my description box because I always have a discount code with the Luvme hair wigs. So if you do end up purchasing something, even if it's not this wig in particular, you guys can get some money off. So make sure you guys use my discount code listed in the description box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.